Hi, I just want to make this quick video about how MSquare helped us with our invoice automation. Invoice to from our suppliers, basically invoices. So we are a retail company. Just a quick explanation about what we needed. We are a retail company and we have around 15 suppliers we work with, and each supplier has a different invoice structure. So what we wanted to do is to create an automation that every time we get an email with an invoice from the supplier, it will somehow appear in the it will somehow appear here in Google Sheets. So I'm just gonna take this supplier, just an example. So for example, we got an email of the invoice. I just blurred some information here, some details. So we received the invoice, and we needed those 5 things. So we needed date, due date, invoice number, supplier name, invoice total, if there is a VAT, then VAT, due date, and some if paid during this due date. So let's see. Basically, the MSquare helped us to get this information, these 5 things that I just showed you, which is the invoice number, the due date, the invoice total, which is somewhere here, and then we have the due date, 4%, 10 days basically, and then we have the due date with 4% discount, and we have the amount. Sorry, we have the amount if we pay during these 10 days, basically until this date, and that's basically all we need. And from here, and all the information is populated automatically here. So once we get an email from this supplier, the scenario is working here, as you can see. That we get an email, it's iterating through the email. It's seeing if it checks if there is some file PDF, and then it reads the information. There are some regex expressions that MSquare used, and it's populated automatically in this file. And that's basically it. From here we have many, as you can see, many suppliers, and from there we just created a couple of filters, and we have this kind of sheet that is basically helps us a lot with managing our invoices. Thank you very much.